Canyon? Do you know what day it is today? Huh, buddy? Yeah, today we're gonna go swimming. Do you want to learn how to swim? We need your towel to learn how to swim. Are you excited? Okay, Canyon, look. Look, we made it to the pool. Go check it out. Come on. Yeah. So much itchy. What do you like? You like the water? You just like the taste of the water. Do you want to put on your life jacket? Do you want it to help you float? Are you a shark? Let's put it on. Did you forget how to walk? Is it time to go in the pool? Yeah, good boy. The water. You like the taste? Come in. Get your little paws wet. What do you think? Let me go in further. Are you swimming? Oh my goodness! Look at you go! Let's go back to the ramp. You want to get out? Good boy! Big shake. Yeah! Good boy! Are you the goodest boy? Ready? Good boy. Good boy. Swim with your head straight. Or you want to keep going this way? You want to go? Good boy! There you go. Okay, practice pedaling. Good paddle. Good paddle. Good boy. You want to try swimming without your life jacket on? Oh, big shake. You want to go swimming? Hey, come here, buddy. Roll it around. Roll it around. You're the craziest boy? Are you the craziest boy? You love the float? Oh, what's that? Oh. Want to get your toy? Hey, come in. Good boy. Go. Oh. Good boy. How do you like your first swim, Canyon? You want to do it again? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think?